Skar 12-inch EVL. It's not mine. Looks like the EVL. Yeah, EVL 12D4. The dust cap came off, and there are the air holes underneath. Again, do not listen to Chinese engineers. These don't need to be there. So I don't want to get into that argument right now. So, but don't let them do that to you. Also, you don't need holes in the former. Don't do that. That's bad news. But he wants the 180 millimeter carbon fiber dust cap, and it only fits right there underneath the second stitching. And I wanted a little more grab. And so what I'm going to do, what I did was very carefully, I tacked some yarn all the way around with some CA, and I taped these. So I'm going to come back, and we already did the inner cap, and then we got to cover these so to reinforce them. And then I'm going to go back and soak the yarn with Devil's Jizz, and then put a light coating here, and then put those two together. So, and then he should be able to pick up tomorrow. But this is just, I mean, this can apply to any subwoofer that the dust cap comes off, or the brand is known to not use an inner cap. And if you do use an inner cap, you got to make sure that you cover these vent holes, because otherwise the pressure can still get through and then push the outer cap off. So this one ended up coming up on one side, and he was hearing some chatter, and luckily he troubleshot instead of throwing the whole thing away. I've seen that before. People just throw the whole fucking subwoofer away, and it's like, no, it's just the dust cap. And then other times when it's just the dust cap, and then they don't know how to glue, so they just goop up the whole thing. It makes it look super ugly. But we're going to do that to this one, and then he's going to put his own logo on the cap, and then he's got a second one, and then he's got the hose hooked up to a Slaps 3500, which is the same as our 3500. So it's like, that's a lot of current for a little EVL, but good for him. These are good for about 1300 watts each. So I just wanted to share that with you guys. Thanks for watching.